Hello everyone. So I wanted to come here and just put a quick video on the installation of the Wilson Combat slide release extended slide release for the P320. So I bought this to replace the stock one, and I was a little nervous, not gonna lie, to do this just because I didn't want to mess up the trigger that I had already set, because this is an adjustable trigger, and I didn't want to open all of the little set screws and all of that just to get this in there. And from the videos that I did watch, they were taking off the set screws, and then they were taking the trigger off, the trigger spring and all of that. I just looked at this real close, and I said to myself, there's gotta be an easier way. And upon inspection, you can just see that basically this is held on by that right here, this right here, and obviously this comes out one way, so it has to be shot from this side for it to come out from the left side. So obviously this is being blocked by the trigger, but is it though? If you go ahead and hold the trigger, you can actually see just a little bit of the pin right there, right about there. So the best thing to do with that is, I carry one of these, and this is for the tray for the your phones, to take out the SIM card and everything like that. So if you have one of these or something very small, go ahead and hold your trigger down, and you're just going to push right in the corner, and right away you can see the pin coming out. Just take that off and go ahead and take the pin out, and boom, right there, that comes off. Just be careful with the little spring that's attached to the back of this, and you're gonna want to go ahead, take the pin out, the spring, put it right in the back of the new one. And the best way to do this is kind of just hold it sideways and go ahead and release it down. So as you can see, the spring is in there, and the holes are lined up, and all you have to do is take the pin, put it back in there. Just gotta line it up, put it back in, and that's it. You're done. Check for this, that it's working properly, and that's it, folks. So it literally takes about, what was it, 30 seconds. I brought my whole punch tool here to do this, and it was not even needed. You just need something very small to get right in there and punch out this pin. And once you have that out, it's easy peasy. 30 seconds. Thank you for watching.